Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how I recreate the natural hairstyle 4C curl definition with the baby hairs. Now y'all seem to have liked that video a lot. I've gotten over 17,000 views on that video, and that was when my roots were still black and the ends were blonde, of course. So this now I'm going to recreate the same look now that I have totally dyed my hair and retouched my roots, and I'm going to show you how it looks with all my hair being one color now. So I've started out with just sectioning some hair down and just swooping that. Also with this side, I sectioned this side down and I swooped it. Now I did this prior because I didn't think I was going to film it. I was like, I ain't going to film it. I'm just going to go ahead and do my hair and get my day started. But I was like, if they liked it when my roots were black, let's see how they react to the video now that my roots are all one color. All right, y'all, I'm in a bit of a rush this morning. My brother's in town and we're supposed to be taking my nephew to the zoo today. So forgive me if I am rushing this video, but guess what? Your girl's going to get it done for y'all anyways. So I'm just sectioning out some more hair. And the bonding agent that I will be using to gel my hair down will be this Got To Be Glue gel. And I use this because it gives me a really strong hold and it'll allow my hairstyle to last throughout the whole day. Y'all, if this video seems a little choppy, it's because it is. My people keep calling me. I'm trying to get this done. So what I did was just section out a little bit of hair on this side, and I started to swoop and I laid it down with that Got To Be Glue gel. So this is where I'm at the moment. This hairstyle is very easy. I'm so happy that you guys have taken a liking to this video and have given me a lot of views on this video. I appreciate it. Thank y'all just for rocking out with your girl. Sometimes you get a little hate comments dropping down, coming through. You get a little hate comments coming through. Hey, I have duck feathers, okay? All of that negativity just rolls right off my back. Definitely, you know, you got to have tough skin to be in this type of community, this type of field, just to put yourself out there on a social media platform. You're going to have a lot of people that's going to come for you, going to hate, going to say negative stuff. But listen, I'm the one that I could delete you. I don't got time for that. Or I could just leave you up and let my other followers eat you up in the comment section. So however you decide is your own fate. You know, that's fine with me, but my channel is geared towards women, and it's only for women who have hair problems. So if y'all don't have hair problems, and if you just want to leave nasty comments just to leave them, just save yourself the embarrassment and the time of your finger exercising on them keypads, because we ain't got time. All right, so I'm taking some more of this Got To Be Glue, and I just want to make sure this little part right here is laid to the gods. And I say that because I'm going to go on with I have a little comb here. Oh, the comb is kind of dirty, but y'all get it. And I'm just going to make those 3 lines that I made in the last video. So I did this. Hold on. Maybe I had to swoop a little too far out. Hold on. Let's do this. See those lines? And then just try to smooth it out. Okay. I'll just wet this side a little bit because it kind of dried up on me. We're gonna fake it till we make it, y'all. Don't worry, I'm here. I'm here. I'm the fake it queen. Y'all looking for hairstyles that's gonna help y'all feel good about yourselves and look good when you step out your house in public? Oh yes, ma'am. You have come to the right channel. Now what you want to do is go in with your little headband and put it behind your ears and right over your baby hairs, or your edges, or whatever you want to call them. Okay. So now we got that laid. You can kind of like fold it because this one is kind of big. I got this from Amazon. And I'll have the link to any of the products that I used and this headband in case you guys want to purchase one. Period. I like doing my hair. It's so fun. I take so much joy and pride in doing my natural hair nowadays. I mean, if y'all see me when I first started, I was like the wig queen. The wig queen. Like, I really didn't think I looked good without them. That's how long I wore wigs. So for me to do my natural hair is like a blessing. It's a blessing. All right, so to moisturize my hair, I'm going in with some of this African Pride Olive Miracle. It's an anti-breakage leave-in conditioner. And I'm just going to run some of this throughout my hair. If you guys have blonde hair, you kind of can relate to what I'm saying. Blonde hair definitely will dry out on you so fast and start breaking and shedding and just falling out. You'll be looking around like, where's my hair? Yeah, it's gone. It's on the floor. All right, so now I have leave-in conditioner. I'm going in with my Blue Magic Grease. This is my favorite. It's with the Indian hemp. Love this stuff, and it smells amazing. To me, I think this is like the best one on the Blue Magic line, the Indian hemp. I just absolutely adore it. And I'm going to just rub some of that throughout my head. Parting the hair like this, smoothing it in between, because the middle does get dry. And that's where your hair will start to break from, is at the roots. So you don't want breakage, put moisture in your hair. At this point, what I'm going to do is go in with the pick, and I'm just going to lift at the roots. Only at the roots, because I'm going to do something else with the ends. The last time I did this, I had saturated my hair with conditioner first and got all my curls popping. And then I lifted with the pick at the end. This time I'm going to do it a little different because I want more volume on my afro, like I stated. To get the curls popping on the ends of the hair, we're going to take some of this, the leave-in conditioner, and just take little pieces and just start rolling them around your finger. Just start rolling them around. Don't worry, it's going to look stretched out for a minute, but your hair will bounce back. If it's natural, your curls will bounce back once it get wet. And this is what you want to do. Just go around, taking small little sections like this. And this is how you're going to get that curl definition right on the ends. Get some more conditioner if you need it. And wrap that hair just like that. You can see it just bouncing right back in place. This is another way you can do it. If you want more volume on your afro, like I did it the first time, I saturated my hair. You don't have to do that this time. You can just pick your afro out, take the ends, and get some curl definition that way. And your hair will still stay as big as you like it. So I'm going to go around throughout my whole head, and I'm going to keep curling my hair just like this, rolling this around on my fingers. And I'm going to come back and show y'all how it's looking at the end. Y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, and I am back. I went off camera. I did a little face beat, put my earrings in. I got dressed. And I will be showing you how I finish up this hairstyle. So let me zoom in just a little bit. Let me show y'all how my curls are looking. If I missed any spots in the back, please forgive me. Your girl is in a rush. So once I get my finger curls in, I just go in with my pick, and I'm going to continue to lift at the roots. Do not pull the pick all the way through to the ends, because you will lose all that definition that you just did on the ends of your hair. So don't do that. And we're just going to take our fingers and separate these curls as we like. I like to bring them a little forward over my headband. And I just like to make it as big as possible. We're going to do this for a few minutes. My hair is so soft, it feels like cotton. It's so soft. All right, so make sure you pick the back. Don't forget the back. And you're just going to shape the afro the way you want it. At this point, you can put the pick down and just go in with your fingers to lift the rest, separating the curls. And this is how the back is looking. Alright, so like I said, this is the end of this video. Let me know what you guys think about this hairstyle. Did you like the hairstyle, the first original hairstyle with the black roots? Or do you like it now with it all being blonde? Let me know. This is such an easy, super cute, out the door type of hairstyle. I just love it, you know. And I just enjoy doing my natural hair. I haven't seen my hair in so many years. I'm just in love with my hair all over again. And I'm so happy. Alright, so this is the end of the video. Let me show y'all my little edges. This is how the edges are looking. Alright, so y'all drop me a comment down in the comment section below, and I will see y'all again in my next hair video. Thank y'all.